Hey guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you how to add your card to your Discord to, for example, buy Discord Nitro. So let me quickly show you how to do it. You open up your Discord and you go down to your user settings. As you can see, we have billing settings right here, and you click on billing. After that, you click on add payment method, and now you want to click on card to add your card. After you have done that, you need to, of course, type your card number, expiration date, and everything like that. After you have done that, you click on next. Now, I will not be filling this out because I don't really want to. But anyhow, guys, you click on next. And after that, you just need to enter your billing information like your postal code, your country, your city. And after you have done that, if you have done everything successfully, it should be right here, your card, and you can edit it and everything like that. But anyhow, guys, I hope this video helped you. If it did, leave a like. If you have any questions, feel free to ask down below in the comment section. And if you want more videos just like this, subscribe. Anyhow, guys, have a nice day.